it's your girl Nelly, and today we are going to be doing another esthetician haul, but this time it's just going to be WAXER edition. So if you guys haven't checked out my first esthetician haul, go ahead, click on my channel, subscribe first, and then go check out my esthetician haul. And yeah, a lot of this stuff you can get from Amazon. A lot of this stuff you can get from professional websites. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so of course the number one thing that you need is a massage bed. As I said in my last video, that my massage bed was like $100. They don't make the one that I have anymore, but I did get my massage bed from eBay. So if you guys want to go ahead and go to eBay, type in massage bed, they do have cheaper deals than Amazon. So, and then of course, pay attention to the wick and the lamps. So the next thing that you want to have as a waxer is this paper for your bed. This is really important too, because you don't want nobody just coming on your bed and they full live naked down there and do a little cooch touch your bed and yeah, y'all could get like that roll of paper either from, you could get it from the store. I don't know what store has it, but you can get it from the store. You can get it from like Amazon. I'm pretty sure Amazon has some. You can get it from eBay. This one, I got it from the place where I get my wax from. So I got it from Mirrodin. Yeah, this is important. The next important thing that you need is a waxing pot. Okay, so this is the very first pot that I got. I forgot how much it was, but I didn't like it that much, and it's like, it was electric. I didn't like it. When you stir it, like it used to like move and stuff, and I no longer use this. I don't even know why I still have it, but I don't use it anymore. But if you guys want to start with something, you get this if you want to, but I have another starter kit. Okay, so behind me is the waxing pot that I use. The two things on it. I use this for like all my waxes. It heats up pretty fast, and it's always good for like if you're a small business, you definitely want to start off with something like that. I did get another one, like a third one. It comes with just like one of these, so imagine this split is just one, so that way like I have 3 pots to use. So that's definitely like a good way to start off with. It's just like the 2 pots. The only thing that I don't like about it is the thing, like when you stir it, the little bucket around it moves, but it gets the job done, and it get like all my Brazilians done. So when I worked at European, they usually have like the 10-pound pots. Those are usually more expensive. You can get those from other websites. I could link some down below if you are looking for a 10-pound pot. I think this one is like maybe, I guess 5 pounds or a half a pound. Yeah, if you feel like that you're ready to move up, I can leave some links down below. Another thing that's really important for waxers is that you have sticks. I got this kind. This one I got from Amazon. You can get 500 sticks that comes in a box like this. So this lasts a long time. Like, it lasted. And I have more boxes on the way. Other sticks that you can get, you could get like these little sticks. I got these separately. Those didn't come in the big box. It came with these, and it also came with these. So like when you do eyebrows and stuff like that, you can use either one of these. I think these came together when I ordered it. I'll put the link down below. Another thing that I got was waxing strips. If you're looking into doing like soft wax, you can get like a lot of these waxing strips from Universal companies. I think that's where I got it from. You either get these from Universal companies or you can get it from Amazon. I haven't used these at all because I don't do soft wax, but I'm thinking about doing like soft wax for like when I do people's eyebrows. I just feel like it works better. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Yeah, and these come with like 100 a pack, so I'm thinking about using these for like legs too, because it gets the job done quicker. Another thing that you guys need is gloves. You want to make sure that you use vinyl gloves. Don't use like latex gloves, because a lot of people are allergic to latex. So the main thing that makes all my waxes happen is you gotta have wax. So when I bought the first pot, the black pot that I just showed you guys, it came with wax. So that's like starter wax. Test out like the waxes that you guys like and stuff like that. If you're a beginner and you're first starting waxing, then yes, you could use that wax that comes like on Amazon. But usually like on Amazon, I can't find, like there's no good wax on Amazon, like at all. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to spend like your bread on wax, like good wax. So this kind I got was Bearden wax or Bearden wax. This is probably like a pound of wax, and you have to be a professional. You have to be licensed to get this wax. So you have like other skincare stuff on there too. Yeah, you could use Bearden wax. You could use like mermaid wax. You could use anybody online who sells wax, but usually like a pound of wax is so expensive. So good luck. Some wax are worth it. Like some wax pick up more hair than other waxes. Some waxes break easily. Some waxes take too long to dry. Some wax dry faster, you know. It depends on just what you like. And same thing with like waxing pots. Some waxing pots take forever to melt, some don't. I think mine's take, the two right here, those take, it don't even take long to really melt. It is a really good pot for like starters. Next thing you need is like cotton pads. You could get these from the store. I got these from Harris Teeter. These are for like to put your cleanser on or put whatever on it that you need to. Okay, so the next thing I have is my cleanser. I also got this from Bearden. So if you use this, you do not need like any pre-oil to put on the Brazilian. It still comes up well if you use this. I have another product that is like on the way. You could use it as pre-oil and you could use it as after oil to help calm the area. Yeah, y'all, this is my cleanser. It comes in a really like decent sized bottle, so this will last a long time. Next thing I got was like the oil that I usually put on to for like aftercare, after wax. So it's post-wax oil. Just make sure you guys have a post-wax product so you could give that glazed donut effect, okay? Next thing that I have that is like really important, so like you need something to clean your pot. So I have the citrus one, the amber brand. This one came from Universal Companies. So I usually use this to like clean my pot, clean around it. So when you clean your pot, you just want to make sure that you turn your pot all the way up, and then you get like you can use like your cotton pads or anything, and you just wipe it off or clean the inside, clean the outside, whatever you guys want to do. But this is what I've been using so far, so, and it works pretty well. Next thing, another important thing is powder. So I know people are probably thinking like, oh, it's just powder, let me get any type of powder. You do not want to get any type of powder because every powder is not okay powder. Some powders are more scented, which is not good for like the Brazilian area, and some powders can give you cancer. So you want to make sure that you pay attention to like the powder ingredients and stuff like that, because when I used to work at European, their powder choices was not well. It wasn't good. I don't recommend those. It was too much fragrance, and you don't want to do that. So this is the powder that I use. Yes, it does come in a little bottle, and I forgot how much it was, but for this little bottle, maybe it was like $5 for this little bottle, but it lasts a long time. I feel like this is the safest powder that I could find. It's unscented, and I just feel like it's the safest powder that I could find. Like, and I got this from Universal Companies, so I do highly recommend this powder right here. I'll make sure to leave the link below for it. And then another thing that you guys need is tweezers. Some people aren't fans of tweezing. Some people is gonna want you to tweeze. So some people might even want you to pull out like their ingrown hairs, and you could do that if you want to. I mean, but make sure you just have tweezers. And then you guys want to make sure you have a barbicide jar to clean your tools. So make sure you guys wash your tools with soap and water first, and then you put it in the barbicide. This one you could go ahead and you could get this off of Amazon. I put this in my last esthetician haul, so I'll put that down below. You guys want to make sure you guys have barbicide or Lucicide to disinfect your bed and disinfect your tools also. I'm pretty sure like that's everything. Waxing is not a lot of tools, it's not a lot of money to put in. That's why a lot of people quit waxing jobs easily, because it's not a lot of money to put in. It's very cheap. Only expensive thing that you probably have to spend your money on is the wax and a 10-pound pop. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short WAXER haul. And yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you want any more hauls. Thanks guys so much. Peace.